Good morning, grade 5. Welcome back to grade 5 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? So, in the previous class, we learned how to find out the area of a rectangle. In this class, we are going to learn how we can find out the area of a square. What is the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is equal to its length into breadth. What is the length and breadth in the case of a square? The length and breadth are the same. So, if you put it like the area of a square is equal to its length into breadth, it will be equal to the side into side or S into S, right? So, we can write area of a square is equal to S into S or side into side. Keep this in your mind. Area of a square equals its side into side. Please make a note of this formula in your notebook and make sure you learn it. Now we'll see some examples of area of a square. What is the area of a wall whose each side measures 6 meters? So it is mentioned in the question that each side of the wall measures 6 meters, which means all its sides have the same length of 6 meters. So if all the sides are of the same length, what would it be? It would be a square. So we have a square wall. Let this be that wall, and each side has a length of 6 meters. Now we have to find out the area of this wall. And what is area? Area is equal to side into side. So let's first write down the proper steps. Side of the wall is equal to 6 meters. And make sure you're writing the formula every time you're solving a question. So you have to write area of the wall is equal to side into side. You have to write this thing. You have to write the formula. Then you have to substitute the measurements there. So side into side is equal to 6 meters into 6 meters, which is equal to 36. 6 into 6 is equal to 36 and 36 square meters. We measure area in terms of square units. Here the units of the measurements are meters. So we write 36 square meter, or you can also write it like 36 meter square. Both are the same thing. So I hope this is clear to you. Now we'll see one more question. Find the area of a square scarf of side 55.5 centimeter. So in this question, the dimension is given in the unit centimeters. So how do we find out the area? Let's write down the proper steps first. Side of the scarf is equal to 55.5 centimeters. And the area of the scarf is equal to side into side, which is equal to 55.5 centimeter into 55.5 centimeter. Now let's find out what is the answer. Let's do the calculation in the working column. So here we have 55.5 into 55.5. Let's do the multiplication. 5 5s are 25, carry over 2. Again 5 5s are 25, plus 2 27, carry over 2. 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. Now the next number. 5 into 5, 25, carry over 2. Now here 7, carry over 2, again the same thing. Now in the next line also we get the same. Inserting zeros properly. Now adding the products, we get 5 here, 12 here, a carry over 1 here. Now 7 plus 7 14, plus 5 19, plus 1 20. Carry over 2 here. 7 plus 7 14, plus 2 16, plus 2 18. A carry over here. 7 plus 2 9, plus 1 10. A carry over here. Now 2 plus 1, it is 3. And we have to put the decimal point. Here there is 1 place after the decimal point. Here also 1. So there is a total of 1 plus 1, 2. So where do we put the decimal point? 1 plus 1, 2. That is 2 places from the right to the left. Count 2 places from right to the left. 1, 2. Put the decimal point here. So what is the answer? The area of the wall equals 3080.25 square centimeter. Note the unit square centimeter, since the dimension is given in terms of centimeter. So this can also be written as 3080.25 centimeter square. It's the same thing. So I hope this question was clear to you and the concept of area of a square. Now you have to go through the topic area of a square in page number 143 and 144. Then once you have gone through it once again, you have to move on to exercise 9.2. You have to complete the questions 1C, 1E, 1G, 1I and also the word problem question number 5. And in the next page, you can see in page number 145, you can see the value education question there. Please go through that question also. And below that, you can see the heading HOTS, high order thinking skills question. Couple of questions are given there. Go through those questions as well. So that's all for today, children. Hope this was clear to you. We will meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then,